G'day there, thanks very much for stopping by today's video. And we're just going to enjoy some scenic footage from Ross Creek today because it is such a gorgeous day. Hi, I'm Aussie Mark. If you haven't met me before, my channel is about helping you make better videos, and sometimes that includes videos of me just shooting footage so that I can provide examples and show you moves that I've made with my camera to try and make better images and better quality footage that's interesting for you. Maybe you'll learn something today, maybe you won't. Maybe I'll learn something from you. Why not subscribe and I'll check out your channel as well. So I hope you enjoyed that footage, both the flight and the B-roll, and it may be something in there sparked an interest or sparked an idea for you in a way that you might film some of your interesting areas and provide us with some entertainment on YouTube. Thanks again for being here, and don't forget, leave us a comment if you would, And click that bell if you haven't thought to do so, because that will definitely help you get reminded when I post more videos. You guys have a fantastic day. It's awesome here in Townsville, it really is. And I hope it's awesome where you are too. Bye for now. See you on the next one.